Welcome to the 3D animation of our 300 kilowatt solar project using 466 high efficiency 615 watt Trina solar modules. We have explained step by step process of solar system installation on the buildings. Step 1, plan area. We begin by showcasing the plan area layout for the solar installation. Then comes to the next steps, building preparation in SketchUp. Actually, this building is constructed on the ground. We just prepare a building layout in the SketchUp to visualize the design and ensure proper planning for the PV module installation. And then comes to the next steps, civil pad work. Civil foundation pad are modeled to represent the structural base that will support the mounting system. Then comes to the next step, H-beam vertical installation. Vertical H-beams are virtually installed to simulate the upright support of the structure. And then comes to the next steps, which is H-beam horizontal installation. Horizontal H-beams are added to connect the frame and complete the mounting skeleton. And then next steps comes C-channel installation. C-channels are installed to support the solar modules across the mounting frame. And then next steps comes and final steps, which is PV module installation. Finally, we place 466 Trina solar modules in the layout to finalize the complete solar array. This animation represents the step-by-step process of our solar installation design using professional 3D modeling tools. If you are new on our channel, subscribe to our channel for more solar project animations, updates, videos. If you need similar 3D design or any solar project design work, contact on the numbers which is showing on our screen.